This is the quick all you need to know review of this olive oil sprayer. I love fun and practical kitchen gadgets, and after seeing a lot of those sprayers everywhere, I was curious and got this from Amazon. I make sure to keep all my oils in glass so it's hygienic and keep it fresh. Therefore, I chose a sprayer that had a glass bottle. The bottle contains 100 milliliters and it is perfect for spraying on salads, when you're cooking, or on bread with salt. Let me show you how it works when I spray with it. To me, this works really great, but you have to use quite a few sprays to get a decent amount of oil out. However, you don't have to worry that you will spray too much. I use this primarily when I fry something or spray on dough when I make bread. I really like the design that is sleek, minimalistic, and looks luxurious. It also works well with any classy table setting. Overall, I think this is a great product and it feels durable, high quality, and it is easy to use and clean. It is also really easy to refill. I recommend this and you can buy it with confidence.